Guys, welcome back to our channel, and today's vlog guys is I just want to share you if how I cook my own recipe of shrimp. Okay, a fresh shrimp guys, and I will show you guys of another ingredients. This is shiitake mushroom, a small size of shiitake mushroom. I brought it into a supermarket from supermarket guys, and also green pepper or sweet pepper. Okay, that's not hot, that's sweet. Okay, sweet as me. Okay, just kidding. And I would like to share you if what ingredients or condiments that I use: butter, salted butter, and soy sauce, mayonnaise, and I have here salted garlic and onion, and I also use oyster sauce. Then this one guys is very simple, home cook, but remember, home cook is always the best. Okay, remember that if you can cook, you are awesome. Okay, better than takeout. So keep watching guys until end, and I will show you how I do this process for this recipe. So first, let's put cooking oil in the pan. Okay, exact amount of cooking oil. We don't need to fry, just only salt. First is let's fry a little bit, or let's cook in an oil of the green pepper. Okay, this is the first process. This one guys is sweet pepper. And let's take off from the pan and follow the mushroom. The mushroom guys is also fresh. There's dried, but this one is fresh, so you need to cook it, fully cook. Okay, cook it until it's done. And this one is only half cooked. Actually, this one is good for salad guys, because this one is sweet. It seems tastes like paprika. Just only cook this into separately. And after frying the both ingredients, let's put now into the same fry pan the garlic and the onion salted. Okay, this one is already salted guys, so no need to wait until it's cooked. Okay, and let's follow the butter and mayonnaise. It's depend upon the volume of your shrimp, and oyster sauce. Then let's put now the main ingredients, shrimp. This one guys is very simple, but of course, as I've said, home cook is always the best. Simple yet delicious. Always show your love to your family by cooking. Then let's cook until the shrimp is cooked. This is amazing guys. Mixture of mayonnaise and soy sauce is amazing taste. Try it guys. If you did not already tried, then try it. It's good for meat or seafoods like shrimp, crabs, and fish is also good. The mixture of mayonnaise and the what they call this, soy sauce. Then cover it until the water from the shrimp would come out. Okay, so here it is, guys. Then let's add now the soy sauce. Okay, the mayonnaise, soy sauce, and the butter is perfect combination, guys. And this time we can add now the mushroom and the sweet pepper. Or if you don't have sweet pepper, you can use paprika. Okay, or you cannot add, you did not I mean, even it's nothing, that's okay. Even it's a lone shrimp, or you can add any kind of like carrots, you can add. Okay, it's depend upon what do you want to add more. But for me, this is only for me, this recipe is good. Okay, the smell, guys, is very amazing. Let's put more fire and seasoned with a little bit of black pepper and salt. Amazingly delicious, guys. As you see, if I can send you the smell, I send you right now. The smell is amazing, absolutely. And let's taste right now, guys, if the smell is taste good. But I just want to make sure so that I can add a little bit of more seasoning. Deep umami and the salty taste is enough and perfect. Okay, absolutely delicious. And let's cook a little bit, guys, but the side of the shrimp is not already cooked. Slow the fire because the mayonnaise is getting burned. So here it is, guys, our finished product, and let's eat. Thanks for watching. For those who are watching until then, guys, thank you very much. I hope I could share a little bit of a recipe from my kitchen to yours. Thank you so much until here, and next recipe again. Bye everyone.